Welcome to Stoic Path. If you've ever found yourself scrolling through social media, feeling anxious, overwhelmed, or like you're just not enough, you're definitely not alone. Today, we're going to talk about how the ancient wisdom of Stoicism can help you manage anxiety in this world where social media seems to dominate our lives. Let's be real. Social media is everywhere. We check it in the morning, during lunch breaks, before bed. It's a non-stop stream of information, pictures, and updates from the world. But what you don't see is that endless comparison trap it sets. Whether it's seeing someone with a perfect vacation, a bigger house, or just more likes on a post, it's easy to feel inadequate. This constant barrage of highlight reels can make you anxious, frustrated, and stressed. But what if I told you that 2,000 years ago, people like Marcus Aurelius and Epictetus were already offering solutions to these exact feelings? Stoicism is a philosophy that teaches us how to live well by focusing on what we can control and letting go of what we can't. And this is exactly where it becomes a game changer for social media anxiety. Instead of getting caught up in how many likes, followers, or views you have, Stoicism tells you to focus on your own thoughts and actions. Because guess what? Those are the only things you really control. Let me show you 3 powerful Stoic techniques to help reduce anxiety from social media. First, the Dichotomy of Control. The Stoics believe that we should focus on what's within our control and let go of what's not. So instead of worrying about how people will react to your posts, focus on creating content or sharing thoughts that you are proud of. Ask yourself, did I do my best? If the answer is yes, then that's all that matters. The opinions of others are out of your hands. Second, there's negative visualization. This might sound strange, but it's powerful. Imagine the worst-case scenario. What if no one likes your post? What if you lose followers? The Stoics believe that thinking about the worst helps you realize it's not as bad as you fear. By visualizing these outcomes, you take away their power to create fear or anxiety in you. And more importantly, you realize that your self-worth isn't tied to these things. Finally, Amor Fati, or the love of fate. This means embracing whatever happens, good or bad. If your post flops, don't fight it, embrace it. See it as a learning experience and move forward. After all, setbacks and challenges help us grow. One of the biggest causes of anxiety on social media is comparing ourselves to others. But as Marcus Aurelius said, it never ceases to amaze me. We all love ourselves more than other people, but care more about their opinions than our own. Stoicism reminds us that other people's successes or failures don't define us. Instead of comparing yourself to others, compare yourself to your own values and the person you were yesterday. That's what really matters. So the next time you're scrolling through social media and start to feel anxious, remember these Stoic principles. Control what you can. Practice negative visualization and embrace your fate. Don't let the opinions of others or the pressure to be perfect steal your peace. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share it with someone who might need a little Stoic wisdom in their life. And comment below. What Stoic practice do you think would help you most with social media anxiety? Thanks for watching, and remember, peace of mind starts with you.